Welcome to this tutorial on how to use a credit card for beginners. Using a credit card for the first time can be intimidating, but with the right guidance, you can navigate the process with ease. First, make sure you have received your credit card and have signed the back of it. This is an important step as it helps to prevent someone else from using your card. Next, familiarize yourself with the information on the front and back of the card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Before you start using your credit card, it is essential to understand the concept of credit limits. Your credit limit is the maximum amount you can charge on your card. Going over this limit can result in penalties and negative effects on your credit score. To use your credit card for the first time, start by making a purchase online or in store. When making an online purchase, enter your card number, expiration date, and security code as required. For in-store purchases, simply hand your card to the cashier and sign the receipt to confirm the transaction. When using your credit card, it is crucial to keep track of your spending. You can do this by checking your account online or through the mobile app provided by your bank. This will help you stay within your credit limit and avoid overspending. Another important concept to understand is interest rates. If you do not pay your balance in full each month, you will be charged interest on your outstanding balance. To avoid this, make sure to pay your bill on time and in full. As a best practice, set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. You can also set up alerts to notify you when a payment is due or when you are approaching your credit limit. Finally, always keep your credit card information secure. Do not share your card number or security code with anyone, and make sure to report any suspicious activity to your bank immediately. By following these steps and best practices, you can use your credit card with confidence and start building a positive credit history. Remember to always use your credit card responsibly and within your means.